Well, we sold our beautiful home here in Las Cruces, New Mexico. It looks so empty right now, but we are so much looking forward to our new life in our 7 acres in Tennessee. The courtyard that I spend so much time in is being dismantled right now. Yes, I am taking all my pots with me. And Henry's coming with us. Can't leave him behind. And this is the garage mess right now, which part of it is yard sale stuff, part of it is donated stuff, and part of it is boxes and boxes that are going with us to Tennessee. So anyway, it's a little view of our house being dismantled. The movers were here yesterday to take inventory of everything. So I thought I'd document the process.